Hello, welcome. I'm Leah Skirdal, inviting you to this time of connecting to our inner well-being. And we offer this space as a group consciousness. Actually, I have a team of meditators with me to whom I send gratitude. And if you would like to be invited to be part of the live meditation, just message me and we'll get you the link. So today we are finding our grounding amidst this time of chaos, this time of transformation. So I invite you to take a breath, bring your attention down through your core. Bring your attention from your head to your heart. From your heart into your belly. Through your legs, through your feet into the earth. And let's touch lightly on our interconnection with each other, all of the people listening to these words. And now find your grounding again. Find your deep taproot. And finding that interconnection under the surface of the earth, the mycelium, the tree roots, how they can intercommunicate. And now bring that vibrant ecosystem back up through your feet, through your legs, through your torso, out the top of your head, like the canopy of a tree. Now bringing your attention back again down through your core into your belly to your tailbone and all the way up your spine, out the top of your head, into the star system, into the galaxy. And finding your place here, tethered on Mother Earth, in the star system. And in the star system, the broad expanse of the galaxy. So bringing that attention back down through the top of your head, through your torso, through your legs, through your feet, into the earth ecosystem, and back up and around the outside. So here we are in this bubble of earth and star essence. And now bringing your attention from your head to your heart, breathing through your heart. And step back behind your heart, in front of your spine, through the doorway into soul, through soul to soul group, to the Christ within, to the essence of oneness, the unity consciousness, the oneness of humanity, the oneness of all life forms, embraced by the creative force, infinite well-being, infinite goodness, infinite love, infinite joy, infinite peace, infinite prosperity, infinite harmony, well-being for all. It's right here It's right here. Now, can you both hold that space of infinite well-being for all? Stable, find your feet. Can you be both in the expansiveness of divine essence and anchored through your feet into the earth? Can you find them both simultaneously? The expansion into oneness and the contraction into the individual, finding them both simultaneously. Now while we're still in this expansive space into the oneness of all creation, now let's find all the listeners, all the people listening to these words. Find our interconnections in this expansive space of oneness. And in this expansive space of soul consciousness, let's find all of the people in Ukraine, in Russia, in Eastern Europe. Let's find a blessing. The space beyond conflict. Where all of the people, all of humanity are united in one consciousness. Let's find that space and energize that space. In this place of oneness. And now breathe that through your center, through the levels and layers of your beingness, into your physical earth essence bubble. This knowingness of unity consciousness. Breathing that into the edges of your earth essence bubble. Now again, finding your feet anchored, finding your breath in your earth essence bubble, breathing in the essence, this divine essence of unity consciousness. Breathing that in from your center and out to the edge of your earth essence bubble. Now let's find where your bubble and my bubble overlap on earth. Finding your feet. Finding the mycelium, the tree roots connected beneath the surface of the earth. Find our human interconnections. Our earth matter interconnections. Find that place where on earth we intersect. And breathe into that space, this unity consciousness. Breathing harmony. Breathing peace. Breathing awareness of our unity consciousness. Into this time-space moment. Let's breathe into the children. The children in Ukraine, the children in Russia, the children in Eastern Europe, the children around the world. Who know unity consciousness in their hearts. Let's amplify. Let's amplify this loving connection. Starting with the children into their families. Transforming fear into love, fear into courage, fear into knowingness of unity consciousness. So again, finding your feet firmly anchored, finding your breath, finding your heart rhythm. Find the breath that circulates around the earth in the atmosphere, the breath of unity consciousness. Find the water circulating through your body. Find the water cycle on the planet, the individual and the unity, unique and unified. Find the matter of our physical bodies, the minerals that we consume that give us sustenance, that we give back to the earth daily. Find that air, earth, and water circulating through the planet, through our bodies, through each other. Bringing your attention from your head to your heart. Breathe through your heart. Sending a blessing of love and unity around the world. Blessed be. One more moment of embodying this unity consciousness. You feel the difference? Anchoring deeply into our physical structures. Blessed be.